What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home Gun Entrepreneur. So tomorrow is Black Friday. So what that means is everybody's going to be rushing out to stores trying to buy gifts and all that great stuff, and that's awesome. Okay, if that's something you're going to do, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But what I want to explain to you and what I want to show you guys how to do is how to go out to these exact same stores that everyone else is going to buy presents, and you go out and you buy inventory to then resell on eBay or on Amazon and make a profit. So now, not only are you going out to these stores, you're spending money, but you're going to make money in the end. You're not losing anything, all right? So if that's something that you're interested in and you want more videos on this throughout Q4 and throughout this holiday season, because the goal with these videos is I want to show you how to make more money to give your kids, your family, yourself the best gifts possible, but also the best life possible even after the holiday's over. So if that's what you're wanting, that's what you need, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and let's go. So what I'm going to show you is, I'm going to show you this is a Walmart ad, okay? This is their Black Friday ad. Now the reason why I want to show you this is because Walmart is one of those stores that everybody goes to. It's one of the craziest stores and they have some pretty good deals. And I'm going to show you one of those items in just a second. But before that, every single store, every single retail store is going to have a Black Friday ad. Walmart, Target, Costco, Best Buy, Kmart, whatever, okay? GameStop. There's so many ads out right now. You can go to Google and type in, Best Buy ad 2019. You're going to see it and you can go and do this exact same strategy with their ad. So in just a second, what I'm going to show you how to do is go over to eBay and use Walmart, or you can sell on Amazon as well, but I'm going to show you how to do it with eBay and Walmart, where you buy a product from Walmart, from the actual store, not online, and then once you get it, you list it on eBay, and when it sells, you ship it off, and you make a profit. And there's an item that I want to show you that actually hasn't even been out yet. Okay, this is kind of a pre-sale for it. However, it comes out on Black Friday, so you can pick it up and be one of the first people to get this and sell it online. So let me show you this item. Now, all you gotta do, like I said, go see the Black Friday ad for Walmart, and you just start scrolling through it. And one of the things that you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to eBay. So just like this, you come to eBay, and you're gonna click on Advanced. Now, when you do that, all you're gonna do is you're gonna come through here, and you're gonna find different items. Let's say like you want this Roku Ultra with JBL earbud. Okay. So one of the things I would do is I'd write Roku Ultra with JBL earbud, just like that. I'd click sold, and I'd also click new because it's a new condition, and I'd hit search and see what pops up. Okay, because if we remember right here, it's 48 bucks. Okay, so it sold for 48 bucks. It sold a few weeks back, 2.5 weeks ago, for 61 plus that, so 75 bucks. 76, 69, 40, 81. So you see this item does sell for a decent amount of money. So I could come here and I could sell it for, let's say, 75 bucks. If I sold it for 75 bucks and I bought it for 50, okay, I'm going to make a little bit of money. After I ship it and fees, I'll probably make, 15 bucks off a $50 item. So again, not bad, but that's just how you do it. So I'm going to show you the item. Okay, I know you've been waiting, so let me show you the item. Now, this item that I'm going to show you, like I said, it hasn't actually been released yet, and it's going to be for a certain price. It's already being sold on eBay for more than double the price that it costs, okay? And I know this is going to sell, and it's probably going to be a hot selling item. And I also know from word of mouth from a Walmart employee that they only have a limited amount of stock of this particular item. So if you want it, you need to get to the store early. Walmart doesn't close, so you need to get to the store early enough on Thanksgiving that you can pick up some of these items, and then when it turns to 5, 6 o'clock, whenever Walmart starts their sale, you can actually buy it, and you'll get that for that price. Here's the item. You see it somewhere on this page? Yep, here it is, down here, bottom left. It's on page 24 of the Walmart ad. Okay, so it's on page 24. I'm going to show you the item right here. Just click item details, Okay, here's the item. Ryan's World Deluxe Piggy Bank Surprise. This, okay, is actually, so it starts 6 o'clock, okay, which is normal, 6 o'clock on Thanksgiving. Now, what I want you to understand is look at Amazon, okay, and this is how I know this is going to sell. It's currently selling on Amazon.com for a pre-order. This says this item will be released on November 29, 2019, so the day after Thanksgiving. What this means, it's currently selling for $69.99 on Amazon. Now, the same toy sold yesterday for $85 and it said pre-sale, order now. What this tells me is this person is already selling this product, but they don't have it. They do not have this product yet. Their plan is probably to go out to Walmart, pick up this product, and then sell it, okay, and then ship it off. And I did this last year, and it does work. Now, I wouldn't do this with this exact item because however many people watch this video are going to see this exact same item, so they might end up doing this exact same thing. But what I'm telling you is, it doesn't matter if 100,000 people watch this video, or even 1,000 or 200 people, it doesn't matter, because Walmart is only going to have a limited amount of stock of this product, okay, of this one right here. So if they only have, let's say, 30 per store, that means only 30 people could potentially buy it and then sell it. And if those 30 people didn't watch this video and have no idea and they just want to buy it for their kid, then there you go. One of those items is taken off the, pretty much out of the market, and you know the price is just going to go up. So that's what I want you to understand is, look at this, $85. It sold from Ireland 2 weeks ago for $94.77. It sold 2 weeks ago for $70, pre-order, Walmart exclusive. Okay, so this is what I want you to understand. People are trying to sell these before it ever came out. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen once it comes out on the tomorrow, the 28th? This is what's going to happen. Okay, it's going to sell for prices like this, and I know this for a fact because this is exactly what happened. Okay, years ago. Okay, with some other items, with some other toys, very similar shape. So I know it's going to happen. But let me show you how much you could potentially make. Let's say you sell it for $79.95. You charge $0 for shipping. It's going to cost you about $12 to ship it. It costs you $30 to buy. That's granted there's no taxes. But if you have to pay taxes, then factor that in. And no, I didn't factor in gas or waiting in line. I didn't. Okay, that doesn't really matter. Okay, so you make $27.34 off every one item. If it costs you, let's say, 10% sales tax, you're going to make about $24. Let's say you buy 3 of these. Okay, 3 of these. That means you're going to make about $75 to buy 3 of these items to resell on eBay, as long as you're getting $79.95. What if you're charging $85? Or we'll put $84. $84.95. You're going to make about $29 from this one item. One of the biggest problems that I see people have, especially around the holidays, is, and it's one of the emails I get so often, is, can you help me out? I'm strapped for cash. I need to make some money to buy my kids a holiday gift, a Christmas present. What do you recommend? And one of the things I always tell people is stop buying your kids stuff on Black Friday and start buying stuff, start investing that little bit of money you have into products you know are going to sell. And it's a hard thing to do, and it's very speculative to do it with the item I just showed you, because it's a brand new item. It's never been out yet, but I think that one item is going to go up in price. Okay, I'm very sure it will. Maybe it won't, but I'm almost positive it will. If it doesn't, and you list on eBay and you bought like 5 of them at Walmart, just take them back. Just take them back to the store and you get your money back. Okay, but what I want you to understand is you can go to any store, okay, GameStop, go buy video games and resell them onto eBay, and you make $5, $10 off every single video game. These things sell very quickly. Last year, I ended up buying a bunch of video games. I don't remember how many sold the first day, but it was over, I think, 30 games of just different ones that sold the day after. Okay, so sold Friday and Saturday. I think maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday, something like that. So that's 2 or 3 days, and they sold. So just understand, it doesn't matter what it is you're out there buying. There's something out there you can buy to resell on eBay or on Amazon and make some money. Okay, make a little bit of money. You have $100 and you want to go and buy your kids' toys with that? That's great. That's awesome. But what if you took that $100 and invest it back into some different inventory, resold it, and then you had $150. And then you took that same $100 and went and go buy your kids some products or some Christmas presents. That means you got $50 left over. You can still keep this business running, keep this little side hustle running, where you take your $50, reinvest it back into some products, resell them, and now you take 50 and turn it into maybe 60 or 70. Take that 60 or 70 and turn it into 100. Take that 100, turn it back into another 150, $200. Okay, and just keep that cycle going. Keep on rolling it over and turn that $50 into hopefully 500, 1,000, 2,000 bucks by the end of Q4. By January 1st, I want you to have money in your pocket, not be completely broke, because that's the thing I see so much, is people always approach me either in person, through email, over on Facebook, through Instagram, and it's the same thing. January 1st to like January 7th, it's the same thing. I spent too much money. How or what do you recommend I do to get some of this money back? Because right now I'm struggling. I can't pay rent. Spend it all on Christmas. What do you recommend? Okay, I don't want that to be you. So, if you guys have any questions on how you can make money on Black Friday, just ask your questions down in the comment section below. I will probably be out at the stores for Black Friday and also for Thanksgiving towards probably about 4 to 5 o'clock. I'll be heading out to the stores doing this exact same thing. So don't think you're gonna be alone. I'll be doing it. I'll be buying this item. Okay, I guarantee you I will be buying this item. Don't know how much it's gonna sell for, but this is one of those items I will pick up myself as long as it's there. So if you get your hand on this item, okay, what I want you to do is come back to this video and comment down below, I got one. Okay, just comment, I got one. I want to see how many people go and get this item. Take me up on this exact strategy, because trust me, I know this works. I do it every single year, but with this one item, like I said, it's kind of speculation that it's going to go up in price, because I guarantee what's selling on Amazon at $69.99, it's going to probably go up to over $100. Okay, mark my words. I almost guarantee it will. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can always ask questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.